It gets darker now early.
You said it.
Or is it just the rain?
No, it gets darker.
A little bit
Like
darker, but not
3 or 4 minutes every day.
Phone fell off the seat. I have to get it. Oh, God. It was way under the seat. Yes, I got it. I'm gonna keep it in his pocket.
Is that a hubcap over there? Bottom of that tree.
Yeah. Well,
Or a bowl.
it's really a small hubcap.
Tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny.
Nice day.
Now, have you been to the work site?
No, I haven't been. We should go there sometime.
Well, I know Aunt Sue likes to take you there sometimes. Georgia.
Well, she in Georgia now?
Yeah.
Does she take a plane or she drive?
Plane. She got there very fast, but she called
How long did it take?
Savannah.
2 hours.
2 hours flying.
Magical History Tour Part 5 is Saturday, August 19th at the Evergreen Derby Club. Flashback to the upcoming 60s and 70s played by Berks County musicians who made a significant contribution to the rock music scene. Bring your money and lawn chairs Saturday, August 19th at the Evergreen Derby Club in Fleetwood. Tickets are $20 at the gate and $15 in advance.
So there's a fit on Fleetwood.
The Ready Eagle Company and WEEU Radio.
It says something about Fleetwood.
Yeah, there's a club. They say I don't think
A fair.
Landon.
It's a German club.
Landon. The one next to the railroad tracks.
Yeah.
So something was going on at that restaurant. Yeah.
Here is the exclusive 3-day AccuWeather forecast. Frontal system departing to our southeast tonight will result in a little evening rain. Otherwise, mostly cloudy overnight as we dry out a low of 63. High pressure then builds in tomorrow. Will turn warmer and more comfortable. Increasing amounts of sunshine with a high at 81. Clear and cool tomorrow night. Not feeling much like mid-August. The low down to 55 degrees. Then pleasant on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies with low humidity, a high of 82. This is meteorologist Steve Trapp reporting for the voice of Berks County, 8:30 a.m. WEEU. It's currently 67 degrees in Town Ready.
Only swings.
Listen when your body says, I'm I'm asking tired, Mimi, or what I'm does she hungry. like fellas? Are you? Would you listen if your body said, I have pain and pressure in my abdomen, I feel bloated for no good reason, or I get too full too fast, I'm spotting, but I've already gone through menopause, or I have to go to the bathroom more often and more urgently than usual. These can be signs of a gynecologic cancer, like cervical, ovarian, uterine,
Is there a game tonight?
Every
Mm-hmm.
6 weeks. weeks.
Everyone.
If your body says something may be wrong, please listen. Early symptoms and get the There was a inside game knowledge this of morning
Mm-hmm.
gynecologic cancers at called 9:30. CDC Info. A message from the Inside Knowledge Campaign and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
News happens in Redding, Berks County, Montgomery County, and to people like you. We cover it all on The Voice, WEEU.
Did I tell you what happened?
Bon appetit. Course number 5 is pastry. I'm Mike Keller with the
When I was at the game
WEEU
yesterday
Entertainment Report.
with
On this Monday
Loretta,
afternoon, let's take a look
this
at the
one
weekend
baseball
box
player
office
from
results. In the
Akron
top spot in
swore
its
the
opening
umpire,
weekend
he
are
said blank you to the umpire,
$19.5
and he took his
million
helmet and
is
threw it in the
Stephen
dugout.
King adaptation,
He banged
The
stuff
Dark
around.
Tower. Coming in second
He
is
can't
last
do
week's
that.
champ, Dunkirk, with $17.6 million. That brings
But he's
its
gonna have to go
two-week
shower
total
and
to
go on the
over
bus and wait.
$133 million. The Emoji Movie, the animated family feature,
Yeah, I
finds
heard
itself
him
in
banging
third
in
with
the
$12.3
visitor team's
million.
dugout.
Road Trip is in fourth, $11.4 million. That film had a budget of just $19 million, and in 3 weeks has earned over $85.4 million. Kidnap comes in fifth at $10.2 million. Rounding out the rest of the top 10 is Spider-Man: Homecoming, Atomic Blonde, Detroit, War for the Planet of the Apes, and Despicable Me 3. According to Entertainment Weekly, the NBC drama This Is Us has had one of its 11 Emmy nominations rescinded after the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences determined it did not meet the requirements to be
No thanks.
for the nomination in the category.
I like cinnamon Tic Tacs, but I haven't had them in a while. Red.
A show must submit an episode where at least
Do you know what Negro ice cream is?
within the past 25 years.
Black ice cream.
From season 1, the finale Moonshadow, which does not meet those requirements.
It's 8 minutes, 54 seconds. We should be there in 2.
Joining HBO's Big Little Lies, Fox's Empire, Netflix's Grace and Frankie, and Amazon's Transparent. With the WEEU Entertainment Report, I'm Mike Keller.
Afternoon news update continues as WEEU and WEEU.com.
You think he's homeless?
Of TV 69's Perks Edition.
Back there.
They're on your side.
I didn't see anybody.
Your life, your world, your net. This is 69 News First Edition. Live at 5:30.
First at 5:30, an unusual and unseasonable start to the work week. Temperatures struggling to get out of the 60s today. And that combined with the rain makes for a cool and very soggy Monday. Good evening once again. I'm Rob Vaughn.
I'm Wendy Davis. If you were outside at all today, you probably needed your umbrella or you were getting wet. And a jacket. A little cool out there, something you usually don't need this time of year. And there's also a chance of flooding now caused by all those heavy downpours out there.
I did neglect the umbrella when I was out today, I'm ashamed to say. I've dried off, and now let's talk about the weather. Here is Chief Meteorologist Ed Hanna at Music Fest in Bethlehem.
Hey guys, good to see you. Anywhere from a third to 3/4 of an inch of rain falling throughout much of the area. As you get closer to Philadelphia, though, that's where we saw greater than an inch. In some cases, a couple of inches or more down further to the southeast. You had to deal with. That's where more of the flooding concerns happen to be. But as you know, any rainfall, the ground.
How much does it cost?
One of the west storms on record. Any rain that we have, it's going to take a while. Even though we're in the high evaporation months, keep in mind those warm days do a lot to help to dry the ground, but it's the groundwater that remains quite high. Take a look at where we are temperature-wise. Yeah, and it's chilly. You can see throughout the region, generally temperatures in the 60s throughout the area. We're at 67 degrees right now outside of our Court Street studio, and you know what? We didn't see much of a departure. Our low this morning, not much different from what our low and our high was today. You can clearly see 67, 66 in Sinking Springs, 65 in Boyertown, only 66. And, you know, I think here's the deal. I think our daytime high is 68. We're off from that a little bit. Normal high should be 84 degrees, so far cry from what is normal for this time of year. But Patsy 5 is going to be a concern today. We'll show you the latest Doppler radar. Again, live from Music Fest in Bethlehem. If you're thinking about taking a trip out, not a bad night to do it. The crowd's going to be generally a little bit lighter right now. I suspect they'll be building.